See it, mommy? Can you see it? Triceratops. 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 Skull. Bones. Yes, it's bones. Yes, Triceratops. Styracosaurus. It's a T-Rex. It's Stegosaurus. Para ba madali bukas?
Ha?
It's a spiny hunter. It's Spinosaurus. That's a Parasaurolophus. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's can I see giant dinosaur? It can be. It says here it's an Argentinosaurus. That one is. Can I see? I wanna read. It's a Dicryosaurus. Yes, it's a Dicryosaurus. Parang sakit ng mata ko, mahal. Ito, daddy. Lucas, can we take a pahinga na? Ay, switch ka na. That one is an Ankylosaurus. That one is it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Kalat mo naman, Lucas. Ligpit-ligpit ka lang din pag may time. That's can I see? Deinonychus. It's a Deinonychus. It's from Deinonychus. Lucas, Deinonychus. Ay, naku. Please mo na, mami. They want to. You done? Ipit na ikaw na toy mo. What's this? It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, it's a T-Rex. Do you know what T-Rex is? It's a alpha dinosaur. Alpha dinosaur. He's the strongest. That one is. Can I see? I wanna read. Mama's gonna read. Oh, napunit na. Can you excuse me, Mama? Mama's gonna read. It's a Proionosaurus. Hoa. Ano to? Hawaiianosaurus. Parang yun ang dala mo kanina, Lucas. Ito, ay hindi. Hindi to si Hawaiianosaurus. That one is an Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus use its tail to fight, and its bony plates fused together. Diba? We have to read, but read. See, another monster lumbers into view. An Ankylosaurus. The T-Rex seems confused by the sudden appearance of this next opponent. Sharp teeth. As the predator hesitates, the Ankylosaurus swings its muscular tail toward its head. You duck as it whizzes past. So this tail is the weapon of Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus' back and sides are covered with third. Mama's reading. You have to Mama's Deinonychus. It's a Deinonychus. Ang galing mo talaga, bunsukot. I love you. That one. It's a Ceolophysis. Natutulog na si ate. May pasok pa siya. Tulog na tayo. Mama needs sleep. I'm so tired. Abay na. That's a Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus teeth can crush bone. They can be up to 6 inches or 15 centimeter long. Ganito malaki yung teeth niya. Stretch your arms and wide, and the length from fingertip to fingertip is about the length of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. The other one. Mama's gonna read, huh? You wait. Tail spikes. Some plant eaters such as Stegosaurus have tails ending with spikes. When threatened, a Stegosaurus will plant its back legs squarely and use its front legs to swing its whole body, giving extra momentum to its tail. So, Ankylosaurus and Stegosaurus is using their tail to fight, while the Tyrannosaurus Rex use its teeth to fight. Okay? And your favorite Triceratops use its head to fight Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay? Remember how does the Triceratops fights, Lucas? Oh, by the head. That one, it's a feet. It's a claw. Claws in the feet. Claws in the feet. Mama's gonna sleep na. No. No. Basa pa? Basa pa? Open! Ay, nasa labas yung book niya. Open daw yung nasa labas. Saan mo ba dinala?
Anong book pa yan?
Anong book mo?
Anong book pa yan, bebe?
Thinking siya. Baka yung encyclopedia niya malaki. Wala, kahit isa oh.
Open. Let's see.
Ayun na, open. Get your book.
Get your book. Where's your book? Get your book.
Hindi naman madilim. Ayaw niya madilim. Okay, ligpit na lang Lego. Ligpit Lego, Lucas. Sus. Sad na naman to, Daddy. Okay. Lipat. Playing. Barrel? Ano ba yun? Playing. Sabi mo. Brachiosaurus. Sakit ng mata ko Brachiosaurus. This one goes, that's a feet. So it's the feet. Kit naman, babo. What color is this? It's an orange, Lucas. May siya sa other one, no? Saan na kaya nilagay yung other one na yan?
Sorry.
The other one. What color is that? It's white. Color white. A white Lego. A yellow Lego. A red Lego. A green Lego. This is a blue Lego, Lucas. Taas pa na energy mo. Oh, fixing ka. Wow, lining toys. Okay.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur?
Tail.
Long tail. It's a long tail dinosaur?
Dinosaur. Doo-doo.
Huh? Is it a long tail dinosaur, Lucas?
Precious.
Brachiosaurus. So it's a Brachiosaurus. The longest dinosaur is a Diplodocus, remember?
Doo.
Diplodocus. Can you say Diplodocus? Lucas, look at my mouth. Oh. Diplodocus. That's a green. That's a light green Lego. What color is this? Black. Black. Marunong na siyang color eh. Di ba normal? Nag-iba siya na, hindi niya na no. Where's the white? White. Okay lang naman, no, Lucas. Sabi niya, Mama, I know it already. I'm focusing with my dinosaur. It's a blue Lego. It's a light blue Lego. Wow, you're moving the light blue Lego next to the blue Lego. Then you put the blue Lego. Then you're holding the yellow Lego. You're gonna fix the yellow Lego. Oh, you put the yellow Lego, the other one yellow Lego. Ang hirap pala subtitle. Ang hirap na magsalita, Lucas, sa ginagawa mo. Ang tawag dun? Yung interpreter. Lucas, you're touching the light yellow. Putting it back on the top of the red Lego. Then you're thinking. So it's a Brachiosaurus. Now you're getting it again, getting it out, putting it like that. Big Brachiosaurus. Big. Mama's afraid.
Precious.
Yes. Yellow. White and yellow. You're touching the yellow on top of the white Lego. Oh, you're touching the yellow Lego on top of the red Lego, putting it on the top of the yellow Lego. Now you're putting the blue Lego. And you're putting it down. You change your mind. Now you're touching the green one, yellow, and the light green on the top of the orange. Now you're touching the blue Lego. You're getting the blocks, getting the light yellow and putting next to the blue Lego, and next is the red Lego. You're putting it in between. Now you're getting the light blue Lego. Then you're putting a light blue Lego and the yellow Lego. Then the yellow Lego on the top of the red Lego. And you're putting the blue Lego on the top of the light blue, but you change your mind and put the other light blue Lego. And you put the blue Lego on top of the yellow. Yay! And you're taking out the blue Lego, the light blue Lego on the top of the blue Lego. And next is the yellow Lego. And another yellow Lego. And putting the white Lego. Can you get the black Lego, Lucas? The black Lego next to Mommy, oh. Lucas, oh, it's close to Mommy. You get the black Lego. Dali. Okay. Banet. Ano yung banet?
Violet?
Walang violet yung dali. Parang, di ko alam eh. Banet? Di ko alam. What's that?
What's that?
It's a dinosaur? Okay. It's a Brachiosaurus.
A Brontosaurus.
A Brachiosaurus! Oh, it's a Brachiosaurus! Lego?
Mainit. That's a mainit.
You like the Brachiosaurus? You love Brachiosaurus? Where is your Brachiosaurus dinosaur?
Cake.
Cake? It's a cake now. It's a cake. You want to eat cake?
Uh-oh.
Oh, sus daddy. Sumagot yung mga pilik mata niya. You want to eat cake? You want to eat cake? Tell mommy. Oh, sus, you blew the cake na. You want to eat cake?
Yes, of course, mommy.
You want cake, Lucas? Sabi niyo, I'm not saying yes because it's not a real cake. Sus, you're blowing the cake. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. What cake is that? Is it a chocolate cake? You want chocolate cake or ice cream cake?
Nice one.
Mama's gonna buy you a cake tomorrow, okay? Don't worry. Yes, Daddy. We're
Is that
buying tomorrow with
earthly?
Ninang's. And Lucas, tell Ninang you're gonna buy, you want cake, so Ninang's gonna buy you a cake tomorrow.
Ipon tayo.
Oh, no.
Punta tayong Thailand. Punta tayo sa Thailand.
Kaya nga eh. Ganda yun, no? Real life daw yung Daddy. Yung height daw nila, yung totoo yun. That's a yellow. Oh, you're taking out the yellow and putting back the white one. You kissed the yellow Lego. Are you eating the yellow Lego? Putting it back. Now you say happy birthday so you can eat the cake. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, birthday.
Oh, blow the cake. Wow. Now you're eating the cake. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Cake.
Cake.
You want cake? Tomorrow. Cake. Okay?
Mommy's gonna buy tomorrow, okay?
Tomorrow you're gonna eat.
May cake ka dyan eh, cupcake. Daddy, meron siya dun lemon cake. Wow! May son na Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus is on the top of the cake. Uh-oh. How about the cake?
Dinosaur.
Brachiosaurus.
Not.
Huh? Oh, you're fixing it. Wow, good job, Lucas. You're fixing the cake. Yum, 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 yum. Say, yum, 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 yum.
Again.
Give Daddy one slice of cake. Can you give Daddy slice of cake? Daddy's gonna eat a cake. Subo mo, Daddy, there. Give Daddy some cake. Daddy, eat cake. Yummy!
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, yummy yellow cake. They're blue cake. Yummy! Sabi mo, Daddy, eat blue. Eat blue.
Where's the blue?
Oh, see, Daddy, you eat blue. Sabi mo,
Blue.
Mami naman. Yum, 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 yummy. Sarap. How about the yellow? Say, Daddy, yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Naaliw siya eh. How about the green? Give Daddy green cake. Green cake, Lucas. It's here, oh. It's the green. Yummy, 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 yummy.
So delicious.
Yay! Can you give Daddy green cake? Here's the green cake, oh. Can you give Daddy green cake? Oh. Can you give Daddy green cake? Daddy eat some green cake. Oh! Yummy! Wow!
Careful.
Another blue cake from Lucas. Who's gonna eat the blue cake? Don't put your mouth inside, your finger inside your mouth, Lucas. It's a pretend playing lang. Pretend. No eating hands. It's a pretend.
Basak na.
Idinilaan niya ni. Pretend, Lucas. Don't put your finger inside your mouth. Yummy, yummy. Pretend. Okay. Let's clean it. Cake. Let's clean it up. Let's clean your cake. Hugas na tayo plate in your hands. Ayaw para matigil. Oh! Wow! What kind of that? It's a velociraptor, no? Daddy, ano ba to? Velociraptor?
Cake.
He's on the top of the cake. He's going to eat the cake, Lucas. The dinosaur's gonna eat the cake. Yummy, yummy, say the dinosaur. I want more cake. I want to eat more cake, Lucas. Can you bake me a cake? That's one is not yummy, right?
Cake.
But that one is yummy. Sis, pakit ka na naman. Kinikilig ka pag cake, ah. Okay, you done eating? You done?
Yum, yummy.
Are you done eating na ba? Still not finished? Mommy's finished, pero I can have another bite. Usus, kumakain eh. Okay, let's fix na. Let's fix na the cake. Put it back in the Lego box. Tomorrow's gonna play, okay? Tomorrow's gonna play. We have to...
There.
There. Higa na tayo. You want mama to lay down na? Oh, you still want to eat cake. You hungry? You want daddy, mommy? Come here na. You want daddy na, mommy? Oh, yummy, yummy. But I want to eat a real cake, Lucas. It's okay now to pretend eating. Okay na, fix mo na. Ligpit mo na yung kalat mo at may pasok na si ate tomorrow. May pasok si mama. I need to sleep. Hindi na, ligpit na natin. Put it back. Out, mommy. Putting it back. Putting it back in the inside. Good job naman, bunso. Put it back. Put it back. Oh, slowly. No throwing, Lucas.
Don't throw your toy, Lucas.
Ay, nako. Lucas, pahinga na sa libro. Asan yung libro mo? Where's your books, ha? Galing ka talaga. Where's your books?
There.
Where there?
There.
That one? No. We gonna have to sleep na, Lucas. Siga na ikaw doon. Mama's gonna make you milk. Akit na. Akit na din. You wanna play puzzle?
A puzzle.
Ano ako sa daddy? Yung ordering ko pala.
Puzzle.
Yeah. Puzzle.
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 Puzzle. I want to play a puzzle.
Puzzle.
Yes, I want to play puzzle, mommy. Like this. Fix muna natin. Can I see if there's missing? There's so many missing na in your puzzle, but at least you practice na lang. You want to put it out? Then you fix it? Okay, put it out. Put it outside na. Oh, put it outside na. Puzzle. Oh, put it back here. Then you fix na, okay? Put it back here. Put it here. Put it here. Okay, Lucas. Now, Lucas is gonna fix his puzzle. Ang galing-galing naman na bunso. Oh, see? Check your puzzle pieces and put it together. You have to find the color, match the color. See? Yeah, that's good. You match the design sa frame. Tama. Ang galing nga. Hinahanap niya na kagad yung egg, daddy. Oh, kung saan nakalagay. Oh. That's the side. Oh, that's correct. You can put it. That's pterodactyl muna. That's correct, Lucas. You have to put the pieces first. Good job. Good job. Next. Another one. That's good job, Lucas. You start with the edges. Wow, you put the egg dinosaur. You fix it. Next is the pterodactyl. You have to look for the pterodactyl. Okay, you put the dragon. You're starting with the sides, Lucas. Ang galing-galing ah. Ang galing ah. Okay. Galing mo. Hindi niya dinidikit kasi alam niya hindi magkadikit. Nantay, binibigyan niya ng space. Ang galing. Okay. Daddy. Lucas is doing fine. Next. Don't worry. You're gonna fix it. Oh, you're doing such a great job, Lucas, ah. You know where to... Mama's want to help, Mommy? Mommy want... Okay. Putting the edge. Putting the eyes of the Spinosaurus. And the body of the dragon. Put the body of the dragon. Okay. Alam niya kung saan nakalagay yung volcano. Ang galing naman ng baby namin. Wow! Proud naman ng bunso ko. Okay. Okay. What's next? Good job. Wow. Galing naman ng anak ko. Galing.
Galing.
Don't worry, you're gonna find it, Lucas. Sabi niya, oh, ang bilis pa niyang gumalaw, Daddy. Alam niya yung gagawin niya. Katuwa. Yep. Wow, good job. You almost finished the Spinosaurus. Just continue doing it. There's some puzzles pa here. Oh. You can use this one, Lucas. You finish this one. I know you can do it. Go, Lucas. Can you use the other puzzle pieces? Wow! You found it, Lucas. You found it. Great job. Next piece. Wow! You're matching the piece in the to the frame. Good thinking, Lucas. Oh, it's fine now. Mommy's gonna help. Oh. Okay. Good job. Oh, slowly. No rushing. It will fit. Turn it around. It's okay now. Good job, baby. Now you're fixing the dragon, right? Good job, baby. Now you're putting the edge, another. Okay. Good job, baby. Wow, mabubuo niya na, Daddy, to. Okay, you're gonna finish the other part, okay, once we found it, ah? Good job, baby. Good job. Clap your hands. Lucas, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Daddy, clap ka ng hands. This one. It's letter O. O. Pahinga ka na. You did so well na, Lucas eh. Don't worry, Mama's gonna find the other parts, okay? The pieces, okay? Good job. Kiss kita. Kiss. Love you. Happy na. Ang bunsukot. Kitty. Say good night na. Puzzle tomorrow again. Good night.